Inuka, Polar Bear, Grandpa and Me, podcast serial by Valueversity, episode 28, Sharik Ali. We both looked into each other's eyes in the nose-to-nose proximity. Yani Appa was talking about the holiday in Singapore last year. On one side of the transparent glass wall were the spectators, including me. On the other side was Inuka, busy swimming in an icy water-filled pool. He then stopped and stood in front of me for a second. Mine and his nose were touching the separating glass wall, and we exchanged an intimate gaze. Tundra is the name given to a section of Singapore Zoo, the natural environment for the polar bears, a small artificial Arctic. Inuka was born there. He is the first polar bear born in a temperate country. When born, his weight was equal to 2 oranges, and now, 23 years later, weighs about 500 kilos, the world's largest carnivore. Besides 20 kilograms of fish daily, he eats plenty of vegetables and fruits. He has a 4-inch fat layer underneath thick white fur. This keeps the body warm in icy deserts and frozen oceans. In his lunchtime show, Keeper throws 5 kilo live fishes into the water. Inuka's masterful pursuit and the hunt of these fishes was a sight to behold. Before I watched this show, I had read the polar bear booklet. By the time we reached the hotel, I felt exhausted and sleepy. That night, I had a strange dream. Somehow, Inuka has escaped a clown-like life in the zoo. He is now a free soul in his home country of the Arctic. Our friendship continues. I wear skates, and he, barefooted, wanders miles in the snowy desert. Enjoy the exciting snowy wilderness, extremes of chilly weather, and unique Arctic landscapes. Inuka can smell the seal fish from a mile's distance. Then we sit and wait on the ice rocks floating in the cool waters of the Arctic Ocean. When the seal fish, as big as Inuka, rises above the water level to breathe, he jumps and grabs the prey with 42 dagger-shaped teeth in his jaw. Then Inuka and his companion polar bears enjoy their favorite food, then wandering alone for hundreds of miles in the snowy desert in search of the next prey. Then on a cold, moonlit night, I empathize with the sad reality of their lives. Climate change is melting the Arctic's icy deserts and oceans. Hunting and procreation grounds are becoming tight for these polar bears. There are only 200,000 of them remaining in the world now. Countless perished because of the lack of hunt in icy deserts. To be continued. Valueversity. Sharik Ali.